What I'm looking for in a food hub is the ability to take a food idea or concept that you might create in a kitchen and be able to scale that up to a commercially feasible product, including packaging, labeling, all the safety regulations. And so it's more than just a place and equipment, but it's also the knowledge of how to do that. We do value-added fish products, and the investment in doing that and testing commercially available equipment, primarily meat processing equipment, we almost have to buy it before we know if it's going to work or not. And so this would allow us to have more assurance that what we're buying is going to work. Secondly, the ability to make some, sell a little, see what kind of reaction we get before we get a huge investment in labels and processing. I think one of the things that's lacking in the northern part of Michigan with the foods that we produce, which are primarily, some of them are very unique, a lot of them are perishable. There is no good way for a processor like myself to reach a customer directly. We do not have a distribution system. We do, and we, some years ago with several other processors, we put together a grant to look at that. We know what it takes, but we weren't big enough. We didn't have the right kind of products, and so hopefully something like that that would aggregate the products and then sell to an individual business downstate would allow us to move our products downstate, because the one thing I hear all the time is people that drive up and buy at our retail store is they can't get the same quality of product in their own market, and they're always surprised. And we get calls all the time from urban businesses looking at how do we get our product to them, and the only way right now is either FedEx or UPS, and that's not very feasible.